Have you ever wondered why, even when things go well, dissatisfaction keeps returning? Welcome back to Aria Dharma, where we uncover pure Theravada teachings from the Pali Canon to bring calm and clarity to your modern life. Last time, we explored the first noble truth of dukkha, recognizing the subtle unsatisfactoriness that touches every conditioned experience. Tonight, we turn to the second noble truth, Samudaya, the origin of suffering, to understand the root, because that the Buddha identified with perfect insight. The Blessed One taught that dukkha has a specific origin, which can be known, and uprooted, leading directly to its cessation. This origin is tanha, craving, the powerful thirst that drives the cycle of becoming and renewed existence. Craving arises in three forms: craving for sensual pleasures, craving for existence, and craving for non-existence. Craving for sensual pleasures is the desire for sights, sounds, smells, tastes, touches, and mental objects that promise happiness. Craving for existence is the wish to continue being, to perpetuate the self in future lives or states. Craving for non-existence is the desire for annihilation, to escape painful experiences through complete cessation. These three forms of craving fuel the fire of suffering, binding beings to repeated birth, aging, and death. The Buddha explained that craving arises from ignorance, not seeing things as they truly are, impermanent, unsatisfactory, and without self. When ignorance veils the mind, pleasant feelings lead to craving, neutral feelings to boredom, and painful feelings to aversion. This chain, ignorance leading to formations, consciousness, name and form, 6, senses, contact, feeling, craving, clinging, becoming, birth, aging, and death, is the process of dependent origination. Craving is the key link that perpetuates the entire cycle of samsara, driving us from one existence to another. The Blessed One illustrated craving with everyday examples, showing how it operates in ordinary minds seeking happiness in impermanent things. Even subtle craving for approval, success, or comfort creates tension. When those things change or disappear, craving is not just gross desire, but the subtle thirst that underlies all attachment and dissatisfaction. In modern life, craving appears in scrolling for the next notification, seeking validation on social media, or chasing the next purchase for fulfillment. It shows in relationships when we crave the other person to be a certain way or fear losing them. At work, craving for recognition or fear of failure drives stress and exhaustion. Seeing craving clearly reveals that much of our suffering is self-created through this thirst. the Buddha's insight into Samudaya offers: hope. Because craving has a cause, it can be ended. When we observe craving arising without feeding it, the chain begins to weaken. This understanding reduces the power of desires that once controlled us. In moments when craving pulls strongly, pausing to note, "This is craving," creates space for wiser choices. The second noble truth teaches that suffering is not random, but has a traceable origin we can address directly. This knowledge empowers us to live with less tension, enjoying pleasures without clinging. For Western minds busy with goals and distractions, recognizing craving frees energy for what truly matters. The Buddha's teaching on Samudaya invites gentle investigation of our own desires rather than suppression or indulgence. In the next episode on Aria Dharma, we will explore the third noble truth, Nirodha, the cessation of suffering and the peace of Nibbana. Thank you for joining this journey with Aria Dharma, where we explore the original teachings to cultivate calm, clarity, and compassion in everyday Western life. Read the Dhammacakkappavattana Sutta and related texts at Sutta Central or access to Insight Free. Public domain resources for all to study the authentic words of the Buddha. May the Dhamma guide you toward peace, as the truth of Samudaya reminds us that understanding the cause of suffering is the key to its end. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma inviting you to subscribe and explore more pure Theravada wisdom for your path to gentle inner healing and understanding. The second noble truth is timeless, showing that craving is the driving force behind repeated dissatisfaction. It encourages us to observe desires without judgment, cultivating freedom from there. Pull in daily moments. Remember the Buddha's clear identification of tanha, applying it when urges arise in work, relationships, or habits. This truth highlights that much suffering is optional, created by our own thirst for things to be different. The teaching on the three forms of craving offers perspective on modern addictions to pleasure, achievement, or escape. Through the Pali Canon, these insights remain accessible, supporting Western beginners in reducing anxiety through wisdom. Join Aria Dharma for more insights, where each episode builds on this foundation to gently heal and awaken the mind in the spirit of the Buddha's legacy. Thank you once more for your time. And remember, seeing craving clearly is the beginning of true liberation. May you find inspiration in this truth to cultivate gentle awareness, leading to greater peace in your own life and relationships. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, dedicated to sharing the original Theravada teachings for your personal growth and inner harmony. The Buddha's insight into Samudaya teaches us to trace suffering back to its source, allowing wiser, responses in challenging moments. His illustration with ordinary desires shows that liberation begins with honest observation of what drives us. By reflecting on craving in small things, we reduce its power and find contentment in the present. This truth encourages compassion for all, beings driven by the same thirst, helping us build kinder connections. The legacy of the second noble. Truth invites us to investigate our desires, paving the way for deeper peace in our routines. Join us at Aria Dharma to delve further into these timeless principles designed for beginners seeking clarity and serenity in modern times. Thank you for embarking on this path with us, and may the Dhamma illuminate your journey toward a more peaceful and awakened existence. See you in the next episode, where we explore the third noble, truth, the cessation of suffering. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, your companion in exploring the pure teachings of Theravada Buddhism for contemporary living. The truth of Samudaya is a beacon for those seeking relief from repeated dissatisfaction, offering practical wisdom to gently loosen craving's grip. The teaching on dependent origination shows the chain we can break, reducing the cycle of stress in daily life. This insight can gently ease the pull of desires that once seemed irresistible, bringing freedom in ordinary moments. The Buddha's clear declaration reminds us that understanding the origin empowers us to choose peace over pursuit. Through honest observation, we can find calm even when craving arises, transforming habits into opportunities for growth. The second noble truth fosters humility and compassion, helping us connect more deeply with others sharing the same drives. Join Aria Dharma for more insights, where each episode builds on this foundation to support your journey toward genuine inner calm. Thank you for your time, and may the truth of Samudaya bring gentle wisdom and peace to your heart today. Peace is only one breath away. Aria Dharma, dedicated to sharing the original Theravada teachings for your personal growth and inner harmony.